Southwest Asia, North Africa test. Write your name, date, and class period. Remember that you can pause this video at any time. Question number 1. The Middle East controls the greatest supply of what valuable resource? A. Diamonds. B. Oil. C. Gold. D. Salt. Question number 2. The Gaza Strip and the West Bank are located in which country? Is it A. Iran, B. Israel, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Turkey? Question number 3. The Aswan Dam captures the mighty Nile River in the world's third largest reservoir that is located in A. Lake Nasser, B. Lake Superior, C. Lake Huron, or D. Lake Ontario? Question number 4. How often did the Nile River overflow its banks before the Aswan Dam was built? A. Once a year, B. Twice a year, C. 3 times a year, D. 4 times a year? Question number 5. Which of the following statements best describes the Silk Road? Is it A. A paved highway through central China used by Chinese emperors? B. A number of trade routes that went between China and Eastern Europe? C. A short road covered in silk from the emperor's house and royal palace? Or D. An established trade route between India and Europe? Question number 6. What two majors of body of water does the Suez Canal connect? Is it A. Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, C. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, D. North Sea and Baltic Sea? Question number 7. Why is the Suez Canal so important for international shipping? Is it A. The Suez Canal is the only way for ships to get out of the Persian Gulf, B. The Suez Canal is Iraq's only waterway leading into the Persian Gulf, C. The Suez Canal makes it possible to get from the Mediterranean to the Red Sea without sailing all the way around Africa, or D. The Suez Canal connects the Jordan River to the Persian Gulf, making it less expensive to ship oil to other parts of Southwest Asia? Remember that you can pause this video at any time. Answer questions 8 through 11 using the map of Southwest Asia, Middle East. Which feature is marked by number 1? Is it A. Yemen, B. Egypt, C. Syria, or D. Saudi Arabia? Question number 9. Which feature is marked by number 17? Is it A. Saudi Arabia, B. Egypt, C. Iran, D. Iraq? Question number 10. Which feature is marked by number 10? Is it A. the West Bank, B. Syria, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Yemen? Question number 11. Which feature is marked by number 8? Is it A. Iraq, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Israel, D. Egypt? Question number 12. Which are connected by the Strait of Hormuz? Is it A. the Red Sea and the Arabian Sea, B. the Persian Gulf and the Arabian Sea, C. the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, or D. the Mediterranean Sea and the Persian? Question number 13. What were the main purposes of building the Aswan Dam in Aswan, Egypt? Is it A. to prevent floods, irrigation, and hydroelectric power, B. for forestation, desertification, and infrastructure, C. to adapt, modify, or upgrade the soil, or D. to change how the of Egypt lived? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 14. The Euphrates River runs through Syria before connecting with the Tigris River in southern A. Turkey, B. Iran, C. Babylon, D. Iraq? Question number 15. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam originated in Southwest Asia. Which characteristics do all three religions have? Is it A. the belief in one God, monotheism, B. the belief in many gods, polytheism, C. the belief in no God, atheism, or D. the belief in many holy books? Question 16. The oldest of the three religions in Southwest Asia is A. Buddhism, B. Judaism, C. Christianity, D. Islam? Question 17. Writing of early Christians known as the New Testament became part of the Christian A. Quran, B. Bible, C. Torah, D. Scripture? Question number 18. The followers of Islam are obligated to perform 5 duties known as A. The Pillars of Islam, B. The 10 Commandments, C. Reaching Nirvana, or D. Reaching Moksha. Question number 19. The area known as the crossroads of the world because of its location in the center of the 3 continents, Asia, Africa, and Europe, is located in A. The Middle East, B. The Gaza Strip, C. The West Bank, or D. The Persian Gulf. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Look at the map, supply and demand of Middle East water. Analyze the charts. For question 20, according to this chart, which country would be most likely to face a water crisis? Is it A. Jordan, B. Lebanon, C. Syria, or D. Turkey? Remember, you have a chart. It says total water supply, the second square, total water demand, and the third says total water excess, meaning they have more. For question 21, let's look at the map, population density map. According to the map above, why are certain regions so densely populated? A. Densely populated areas have more access to water sources and resources. B. Densely populated areas are where there are less resources available to people. C. Densely populated areas have more access to desert, which makes travel easy. Or D. There is no reason that explains why some areas are more populated than others. Remember to use your social studies strategies on that. If you need to go back to retake your test, please do. If you made any changes on your Scantron, make sure that you properly erase them all. Take your time and do not rush. Good luck.